Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 2, Animation Tool, Synfig. Synfig, also called as Synfig Studio, is a free, open source, two-dimensional animation software. Let's start. In the previous chapter, we discussed about multimedia and the basic building blocks of multimedia, that is, components of multimedia, also called as elements of multimedia, like text, graphics, video, audio, and animation. Now let us discuss what is multimedia authoring tools. To create a multimedia presentation using these building blocks, that is multimedia elements like text, graphics, video, audio, animation, we need application programs known as multimedia authoring tools. These authoring tools provide the important framework to organize and edit the multimedia elements. Generally, the authoring tools are classified into three types. First type, card or page based authoring tools. Second type, icon and event based authoring tools. And third one, time based authoring tools. Now let us study these three authoring tools one by one. First one, card or page based authoring tools. In these tools, the elements are organized as pages of a book or pile of cards. The authoring tool links these pages into an organized sequence. This type of tools are useful when the different elements can be viewed individually, like the pages of a book. Some examples of card-based authoring tools are HyperCard and Multimedia Toolbook. Second type is icon and event based authoring tools. In these tools, the elements are organized as objects in a structural framework or process. Here, you need to build the flowchart of the events or tasks and then add the elements as per the structure. Some examples of icon and event based authoring tools are AuthorWare and Icon Author. The third type is time-based authoring tools. In these tools, the elements are organized along a timeline. They are useful when you want to give a message that has a beginning and an end. The elements are displayed as per the time or location of the events. Time-based authoring tools are most popular among all the three authoring tools. Some examples of time-based authoring tools are Synfig, Pencil, Flash, Director. There are many multimedia tools available in the market. Some of these tools are proprietary, means related to the owner, while others are open source. Some of the open source animation tools are easily available on internet, and they are Pencil and Synfig. Today we are going to study both of these time-based authoring tools Pencil and Synfig. First, we will study Pencil. Pencil is a two-dimensional animation software that lets you create traditional hand-drawn animation using both bitmap and vector graphics. Children, you might be remembering that in chapter 1 we have studied bitmap and vector graphics both. This pencil can be freely downloaded from http www.pencil-animation.org. Pencil is available on various operating systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac OS X. Pencil lets you create good animation if you are good at freehand drawing instead of object drawing. For object drawing and animation, we will learn about an open source animation tool called Synfig Studio or Synfig. Now let us study Synfig Studio or Synfig. Synfig is a two-dimensional vector open source animation software that lets you create object drawing and animation. It can be freely downloaded from http://www.synfig.org. It is also available on various operating systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac OS X. Synfig is a time-based multimedia authoring tool released in 2005 under the GNU GPL, that is General Public License. It is designed to produce film quality animation with fewer people and resources. The first version of Synfig was 0.61.05. The latest version of Synfig is 0.63.05. Synfig stores animation in XML, that is Extensible Markup Language file format, often compressed using compression software gzip, which stands for GNU zip. These files use the filename extension as .sif in uncompressed form or .sifz in compressed form. So today we studied three types of authoring tools and two open source animation tools easily available on internet like Pencil and Synfig. Next time we will gain insight of Synfig Studio. Hope to meet you in next online computer class. Thank you. Have a good day.